December 31st, 2026. You're standing in front of the mirror. Nothing changed. Same body, same money, and the same habits. Or you chose a plan so simple that you didn't feel the change coming. Men don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try to fix everything at once. They try to achieve 10 goals, with negative planning. No consistency holding anything together. They go hard for 2 weeks, burn out, and quietly return to old habits. Real progress comes with a structure, not random discipline that fell on you from the sky. Which brings me to the 2026 plan. Quarter 1, the foundation. This is where most people ruin the year. They overload themselves and crash. Instead, you choose one meaningful goal. Make it so simple that skipping it feels stupid. You track it every single day, regardless of mood. Quarter 1 isn't about changing your entire life. It's about proving to yourself that you can stay consistent with one commitment. Your non-negotiables support this. And to make it even easier, I'll leave a few goals you can achieve as the first quarter in the description. At night, you journal for 5 minutes and plan tomorrow. Quarter 2, momentum. Now you have proof. 90 days of follow-through. You don't start over. You build carefully. You add one habit. You double down on what's clearly working. You remove what drains your energy, even if that means distance from certain people. Structure creates freedom. On Monday, plan the week. Pick 3 real priorities to actually achieve. From Tuesday to Thursday, achieve what you planned without overcomplicating. On Friday, review honestly. What worked, what didn't, and why. You can use Saturday as your rest day. And on Sunday, prepare the necessities for the week, like meals or grocery. Most people fail because they have no system, which is what we are building now. Quarter 3, the grind. This is the hardest part of the year, distractions everywhere, and most people slow down here. And a golden rule is to stay consistent even when progress feels boring and invisible. Discipline is tested in July. If you move to July with precision, you can win. Track only what matters. I'll also leave that in the description box. Review weekly progress. Adjust the plan monthly if needed. Data doesn't lie, even when emotions do. Quarter 4, the finish. By now, most people are already talking about next year, burnouts and holidays. Have you finished what you started? Reflect it honestly. Plan the next year while others are still recovering from old excuses. This is where the gap becomes impossible to ignore. And here's the truth nobody likes to admit. No one stays perfect for 365 days. You will slip and fall and come back greater the same day. Not tomorrow, nor next week. Today, I rose again. That's the real plan.